So there we go. We're going to create a basic form here, a form that we can just do form action equal to our action is pointing to this file. We need to create another file. I think I should just drop it in includes or anywhere. I can just say folder. Let's create a folder and call it form processing. Okay, so inside delete. So I wanted to just create the folder in the empty space. So in the empty space, we create a folder called processing. So inside the folder, I want to create a file and call it process.php. Remember, you don't actually need to put any of these things inside a folder. It should be. I'm just doing it because I want my work to look neat. PHP. There we go. Alright, so this is the form. We're creating the form. This form will be submitted to this process.php. So it will go into includes, not includes processing slash process.php. Alright, so the method is post. We're going to use post. I think that sorts it out for now. So we'll close the form and then we're back. So right here, we're going to do the form needs to have an input box. So say input type is text and name. We can say first number, and then I think that does it. Typically this should solve the problem. So because we can just copy this and do it for the second number. So basically we want somebody to be able to enter two numbers, and then we choose whether to add, multiply, or calculate anything. So second, so the type is text. Then finally we need we need to be able to choose what to add. So we can do select name operation. Alright, and then we close the select, and then we need to come in the middle and start adding the options. So let's add like 3 options. First option is the option value. First thing you can do with the 2 numbers is add, and then you can just say add option. So we'll do it for the 3 and say subtract and multiply. We don't die, we multiply, and then divide. Alright, now we have this. We can now do subtract, multiply, divide. Okay, so we're good. Alright, and then finally we need a submit button. We can do button type submit, I think input type submit value submit or calculate. I think this sorts out problem. So I'm gonna put a br tag in every of this. So let's go and check out index.php on the browser, just to be sure that everything works out well. So here we're just gonna do, if we enter this into open index.php, we're expecting to see a form here. Okay, it's loading, as you can see. So that's it. I think I should make this bolder. Let's just make it a little more placeholder. You can just say first number, and then we'll double this up. I'm just increasing the space in between the boxes, and we'll do the same thing for the second. Add a placeholder, you don't have to actually do this in your own design. I just would like my stuff to look cool. Then I'll put a text on top, h1 tag, say mini calculator h1, and then we're good. So refresh. So mini calculator, first number, second number, then we'll choose what happens. I think I should give space here, just a little more space, and then we're good. So which means in the next video, that's where we'll continue. So right here, refresh. So we've built a form that will do a mini calculation for us. So basically what we want to do is to enter a number here, enter another number here, and choose what it does, and then calculate, and it works. Alright, so thank you very much. See you in the next video.